The purpose of the Lagilagi low-cost housing development project is threefold. One is to appraise and inform Cabinet of the status of the Lagilagi housing development project. Secondly is to seek endorsements from Cabinet for the transfer of the lease with Lagilagi Housing Estate Sichuan to be transferred to the Public Rental Board. And thirdly was also seeking approval from Cabinet for the Public Rental Board to manage the Lagilagi Housing Development Project. The cost of the completion of 36 housing units to be completed by the Public Rental Board is estimated to cost around $3 million and also be self-funded by the Public Rental Board. Public Rental Board will be prioritizing families from the Jittu Estate, as the initial plan was to assist those that are living in Jittu to move or to graduate into these housing units. But there is an eligibility criteria that will be set by the Public Rental Board for the assessment to ensure that they verify all the tenants before they move those tenants to the newly completed and constructed housing units. The significance of this project is really huge for as far as provision of housing, low-cost housing project in our country. One is it will be affordable to our low-income earners who may not be able to afford the conventional housing options, but also provides a decent place for them to live in. Secondly, it also contributes to alleviation of poverty by reducing chances of homelessness and improve living conditions, and also ensuring that they have good access to education as well as even employment for low-income families. Thirdly, it's also going to promote social cohesion or social inclusion amongst the families from different socioeconomic background to have access to safe and adequate housing. And it also counters segregation and creates a diverse and cohesive communities where people from all walks of life can live together, fostering social integration and also better understanding of the different communities that may be housed in that housing estate. And I think also important is also addresses the increase in informal settlements, increasing informal settlements that we have in Fiji, and because it provides a very good option for people to have affordable as well as sustainable housing. And also, most importantly, giving access for these people to have better amenities like good access to water, sanitation, even proper ventilation. Health, contributing to good health and also well-being of all these families. I think it's also very important to note that these housing projects will, caters for those low-income families that earn below 30,000. That is for household income. And also, it provides an opportunity for those that don't have options or don't have the ability to buy homes where they can at least move into these estates. As I said, it's a way that the Ministry of Housing as well as the Public Rental Board will provide another access for people to have proper as well as decent housing.